Hi there, meet with me again in Nonswear channel. This tutorial, I will show you how to reset Epson L485. First, you can download the resetter. I put link into description. So, if you want to download this resetter, you can just go to description and click the link. Before you extract the resetter, please disable all of your antivirus, include your real-time protection by Windows Defender. Please turn off your antivirus. In here, I disable my real-time protection. Also, cloud deliver protection, automatic sample submission, temper protection, and etc. So, if you have Avast and another antivirus, you must disable it. After that, you can extract the resetter. Then, open the resetter and choose README text in here. It's easier to open this README, so you go to the step 3. Change date to August 1st, 2017. Change the date. You must change the date of your computer. To 2017 August in the first. Look at this. Now you can open the resetter. Double click in here. Then copy this key. After you copy, open the key again. Please fill with nosware.com and paste your key here and click new key and copy this key back into adjustment program. Insert the key and paste here and click OK. And now you can start to reset your Epson L485. Select model L485 and click OK. Select particular adjustment mode. Select was ink-pad counter and then click OK. Checklist in the main pad counter and you must click check and click initialize. Because I don't have a real printer, I just show you a tutorial. After you check main pad counter, you must click this button check and this button initialize. And after all, click finish and turn off your computers. I'm sorry, I mean your printers. And close your resetter and turn on your printers. Your Epson L485 will can use again. That's all tutorial. Hope this helpful. Thanks for watching and bye bye.